Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set or change your password in the Wattpad app. This is a simple process that will help you secure your account and protect your stories and personal information. Follow along carefully to make sure your account remains safe. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. After that, navigate to Profile and Account Settings. Next, tap on the Password field to make changes. Then, enter your new password carefully, making sure it is strong and secure. After typing the new password, confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. Finally, click on Set button to confirm. Make sure to remember your password for future logins. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.